Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Kanishka. So Diwali is around the corner and in today's video I'm gonna share with you guys some Diwali outfit ideas which you can recreate easily without spending too much. I have kept every outfit very simple, very affordable and yet very stylish so that you can rock this Diwali without putting so much effort. So without wasting any more time, let's quickly jump into the video.
For the first outfit, I have chosen this very beautiful, vibrant yellow colored kurti which has gotapatti sort of work going on with silver detailing and paired it with an off-white palazzo which also has silver and golden detailing to match the whole vibe of the kurti. For the accessories, I have chosen this heavy Chand Bali, a rusty golden bangle and some rings to complete my whole look. Since the kurta is not so heavy, that's why I decided to accessorize the whole look as much as I could, and I love how gracefully this outfit turned out. Vibrant colors like yellow, red and fuchsia pink looks very good on festival like Diwali, and especially when it is paired with subtle and light bottom wear. For the second outfit, you guys can pair your black or white kurti with a palazzo and chunni set from your mom's wardrobe. Trust me, pairing a palazzo and chunni which has similar design with the plain kurti never goes out of style. Pick any palazzo set that you like from your mom's closet and pair it with a contrasting kurti and you're good to go. Here I have paired this simple black kurti with this palazzo set from my mom's wardrobe, and to complete this look I have added a lot of junk jewelry so that it looks put together. This look is perfect when you are going at your friend's place for a Diwali party or even for a card party. For the third outfit, I decided to go with a basic red gown, and to glam it up a little bit, I have paired a Banarsi yellow dupatta. This outfit made such big statement with all these two colors together. To add a little spice to this outfit, I have kept a low back neck with a dori, wearing it with a statement earring, watch and a bangle on the other hand, and this looks very festive and sexy. This has to be my favorite outfit. You guys can choose any fabric of your choice, get it stitched into a kurta, gown or anarkali suit, pair it with the Banarsi chunni, add some statement pieces for accessorization and you're good to go. We all love comfort, right? So this outfit is for the girls who love comfortable styling. Pairing a crop top or short kurti with a palazzo, it's such a good option for all my comfort seeking girls. You can roam around freely in this outfit and at the same time look very stylish. As I said, bright color looks best on festives. I have chosen this bright embroidered tunic top to pair with this palazzo. If you guys haven't noticed yet, this is the same palazzo that I wore in my first outfit. Who said you need many clothes to create new outfits? You just need one statement piece and you can dress it up and dress it down in so many ways. When in doubt, wear a sari. Only a sari can bring out true beauty and elegance, and there is nothing as elegant as a girl in a sari. If you don't have one, don't worry. Stole a classic sari from your mom's closet like I did, pair it with a crop top and junk it up with jewelry, and you are good to rock this Diwali. One thing I would like to mention specifically, whenever you are wearing any traditional outfit, do put a bindi on the center of the forehead. It gives your face a symmetrical look and instantly makes you look so gorgeous. Remember girls, life is short, let your pallu be long. Last but not the least, this look is inspired from the movie Piku. This is for all the girls who don't like getting dressed up, or if you are a girl who likes to keep it a little simple, sober and yet very stylish. Remember Deepika in Piku, how she slayed all her looks by pairing simple kurta with palazzo and a dupatta in front with bold eyes. That's what you can try this Diwali with a little bit of accessorization and a classic watch on hand, just like what I did.
So that was all about it for this video. I really hope कि आपको इस वीडियो से थोड़ी बहुत आउटफिट इंस्पिरेशन मिली हो, और अगर आप इसमें से कोई भी आउटफिट रिक्रिएट करते हैं देन डू सेंड मी योर पिक्चर्स ऑन माई इंस्टाग्राम अकाउंट. हम पहले की तरह तो इस साल दिवाली नहीं मना पाएंगे, बट यू कैन डेफिनेटली ड्रेस अप एंड लुक लाइक अ पटाखा. सो विशिंग यू अ वेरी हैप्पी दिवाली फ्रॉम माई साइड. बी सेफ एंड enjoy this Diwali to the fullest. And if you enjoyed watching this video, then don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends and family, and I will see you next week. Bye bye.